I will share my unforgettable moment that I attend a concert. For me, my unforgettable moment is when I attended a concert 2 months ago at ISBSD exactly. I attended first Treasure 2 concert in Indonesia. It was so delightful for me because we enjoyed it and also saw my favorite idol. Before the day, in Friday, I changed the digital ticket into the physical ticket because the concert held in Saturday. But in that day, I didn't only attend a concert. 1 hour before it began, I saw a movie in a cinema near the venue. After that, I took an online object to the venue and waited the gate open. After that, I came into the venue for scan my ticket, and I with another fans gathered in a room. After that, we went until front of the stage. The concert started with a national anthem, continued by a speech from Chief Police of BSD, and the concert began. In beginning, they sang 3 songs and continued by any month of them. During the concert, they said that they like our country and they were so happy come here. We sang during they sang their song, and we laughed when any random things came from them. The concert finished at 10 p.m. I was so glad to attend the first Indonesia concert in the Asia Tour series.